there's a little boy that's in Los Angeles. I went to give a speech in a church of Hoover, and a little boy came up to me, and I'm looking down. He said, Dr. Sebi, Dr. Sebi. Yeah. I'm Baby Sebi. Baby Sebi? He said, yes. They named him Baby Sebi because from the day he was born, all he had was his mother's breast. And at the age of 3, they give him sea moss. We would eat it raw. The boy, when he went to school, they couldn't put him in kindergarten, they put him in 4th grade. And when he got to the 2nd grade, they had to put him in 3rd. The boy is, look, he's strong, never been sick. So his mother and his father never had to spend any money on sickness or pills. So we want to do that. We want to now develop a healthy nation, not a sick nation. And to develop that healthy nation, we have to omit all of this. But you will see the benefit because there will be classes. I promised Melvina that there is consistency.